Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making my egg McMuffin that you would normally find at McDonald's, but today we're going to be doing this at home. Now here we go, we have Cosmo. He is going to help, and he's going to be a good husband when he grows up and when he gets married. So let's go ahead and start with this. I just now showed that I have mozzarella, English muffins, ham, and also one egg. So that's all we have to have for this, and it's super good, very easy, and we also have butter right there. Okay, so one of the first things we're gonna do with the egg McMuffin is just kind of split it in half, and we're gonna try to make the muffin a little buttery and have a little bit of a crunch. So yeah, just split it in half and put it like kind of upside down or however you want to do it. Makes sense just to have it kind of flat on there. But yeah, we've got our ham and cheese kind of cooking, and then I split an egg, and really that's it. It's really, really good, and I hope you make it. If you like videos like that, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below, and I'll try to get more videos out for you. Thanks so much, and bye!